welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Brett. I'm Vita Vlogger. So today on this rainy, stormy day, we're gonna go ahead and just take a road trip, and we're gonna check out one of the Sierra Nevada trails. This one is called Shirttail Canyon Road, and it's known to have waterfalls. So what better to do on a stormy, rainy day than to chase some waterfalls? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and jump in the Audi and get out of here shortly. But before we do, I wanna say, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because it does help the channel grow. And that's what we're trying to do, is get some subscribers so that we have some people following along as we take these journeys. But the rain is coming down right now, and it's starting to come down a little harder. So I'm gonna jump in the Audi where it's warm and hit the road. All right, I'll see you guys when we get to the trail. So I just wanted to stop real quick and show you guys that bridge over there. That bridge was featured in, I believe, XXX with Vin Diesel and several other movies. So it's a pretty famous bridge. It's the highest bridge over a gorge or something like that. I'm not really sure, but there's something significant about the bridge. I don't remember what it was, but just wanted to show you this bridge. I'll probably put the name and some details on the screen so you guys have a little detail about it. But we're gonna continue on our journey and get over to this trail. Yep, here we go. We are on the dirt. Yankee Jim's Road is what we're on now. So we'll see how far we can make it down through here. We're trying to get the Shirttail Canyon Road, I believe is what it's called. Shirttail Canyon. Again, as always, we're traveling alone. We don't have a rescue vehicle, so we're not going to push it too far today. All right, fam, so I just wanted to stop real quick because we found ourselves a waterfall. So I wanted to show you guys this real quick. It's pretty cool little waterfall. You got all the moss growing on the rocks up there. Pretty chill little spot on this trail. Again, this is the Yankee Jim Trail. So we came down the trail here, and we're gonna keep heading on down the Shirttail Canyon Trail. So we're gonna continue on this journey, so let me jump back in and we'll continue down the road. as you can see, There are a lot of waterfalls this time of year on this trail, so that's an added bonus I wasn't expecting. So, good time of year to come check this trail out. Not a lot of people out here, and some pretty cool waterfalls when the rain's falling. Curious to come up in the summer and see if they last all year long. I anticipate they probably dry up in the late summer, but we'll come back out and check them out again sometime. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see, but we got this janky little bridge here we got to go across this river. So we're gonna go across this bridge. Looks like it's some steel I-beams under it, so I'm not tripping off of it. I'm sure it'll hold the weight of the Audi. So let's go across this bridge. So the rain is really coming down now. It's been muddy the whole time, so I'm not worried about the rain. It's not going to make it any muddier than it already is. We're not having any trouble. This trail is a really easy trail. The biggest concern would be a landslide in my mind going down this trail at this point. And that's about all I'm worried about, is maybe one of these hills coming down and blocking our route. But we're going to get up this trail and then come back out and then start heading back to Sacramento for a lunch, and then head down to the Bay Area to go home. That'll be the end of this trip. So let's just keep continuing down this trail and see what's at the end of it. I believe it's not a loop or anything like that. It's actually just a in and out trail. So you go in and you have to come back out the same route. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know. If you follow the video, you'll see at the end what we come up to. But I believe it's a dead end at the end of this trail. All right. So as you can see, we're driving up basically a river right now. It's solid. It's like limestone, but it's definitely turning into a river. And not to mention, we have a tree that's fallen in our path. So I got to either yank this tree out of the way or turn around. So I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to turn around and go back the way we came out, or try to continue up this trail and hopefully hit another road leading out of here. So let me take a look at this tree real quick, and I'll cut back to you guys after I made my decision of what I want to do. But again, take a look at the water. It's crazy. Crazy weather we're having. And again, we're getting up to the snow line too. But let me figure out this tree and I'll get back with you. All right, fam, so I took a look at it, and I don't think we're going to pull it out of the way, only because the Audi's not set up with any tow hooks on the front of it. So I don't want to have to turn around and use my trailer hitch to pull it out. I just don't have any way to hook up my strap to pull it right now from the front of the vehicle. Again, it's not set up for overland or off-roading. So I'm just going to turn around. I'm not going to go ahead and pull this out of the way. It would be easy enough, but I don't think I'm gonna worry about it. Unless there's a place down here that I could turn around that's close. And it might be worth it, but I think I'm just gonna turn around here and start heading back, because we do want to get to Sac and get something to eat. So, and we got about an hour trip out of here, so we might as well get going. But yeah, the road looks pretty good going out of here this direction. I just don't want to deal with this tree at this moment. So I'm gonna get back in this truck. It's raining like crazy, and then get out of here. right, fam. So we had to back down the trail pretty far. I would say about 300-400 feet before we came to a spot just wide enough to turn around. This little cutout from the water run out here was just enough space to get the Audi turned around. So we're gonna keep heading down the trail back out of here so we could get going back to Sacramento. But this is where we had to turn around, this steep ravine. We have very little space, so you know, there's some carnage from somebody else's rig when they came through here, but there's definitely carnage here. I don't know how, because this is just a fire road. I don't see anything to hit. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys what we were running on today in case you were curious. We got the Proxy ST3s and a 295 35R22. So we're in the rain right now, so I want to make this quick, but I wanted to show you real quick the sign. Yankee Jim's Road is the one we came in on from Forest Hill. Shirttail Canyon Road is the one we went out down the dirt road and saw those beautiful waterfalls, and it was a pretty cool road, so I liked it. Hopefully you guys liked it too. Man, that was a beautiful waterfall. That's a big one on the way out. So yeah, there's a lot of waterfalls. I would say at least 8, maybe 9 or 10. I don't know. There's a lot of waterfalls. So pretty cool, especially in the winter, to see all the water coming down off the mountain. It's worth the drive. I definitely recommend it for at least just to take a look at it one time. It was definitely worth the drive. But in front of this waterfall, I'm going to thank you guys for watching. And remember, if you like what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to comment below. I always like to interact with my audience. And then also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I do drop fresh bangers weekly. Every week I drop a new video, so make sure you don't miss it by hitting that notification bell. And until next time, family, stay good. Peace.